Welcome to another presentation at the East Trade Winds, hosted by Bernie Franzgrote and Wayne Pratt. The presentation today is titled Unlock Peace with Strategic Coverage. Our guest is Younes Taoudi from Gifford Carr Insurance Group. He is a bilingual commercial insurance broker with more than 17 years of international and local experience, from banking in Dubai to entrepreneurship in Morocco and now Canadian insurance. Younes brings a global perspective and a deep understanding of business needs. He helps Canadian business owners across all industries feel confident about their coverage by tailoring protection that fits and grows with them. His passion is helping clients understand risk, not just to safeguard what they've built, but to move forward with clarity and confidence.
My presentation is about business insurance. So we're going to be discussing mainly insurance strategies designed to protect what really matters for Canadian businesses in this ever-evolving risk landscape. Before we dive into the specifics, I just want to briefly introduce Gifford Carr Group Insurance. So Gifford Carr Insurance has been established actually in 1948. So we've been serving individuals, families, and businesses across Ontario and Canada for the last 76 years. And in 2016, it was a merger of two renowned firms, Carr and Company and Gifford and Associates, respectively. Currently, we are operating out of 4 offices in Ontario, 2 in Ottawa, covering both East and West, 1 office in Burlington and 1 office in Sudbury, along with a recent strategic acquisition in US, Florida, so we can cater to our Canadian clients who are having assets and that needs a local relationship to support them over there. Our philosophy is very simple yet very profound. So we protect what matters. And I would say this isn't just a slogan, it's really what's the guiding principle behind every solution that we provide to our clients. Briefly about the group divisions. We operate under 4 divisions. The first one, main one, is the insurance division, where we cater to individuals, businesses, and families, offering a wide array of insurance products from personal lines to business and commercial lines, along with some specialty risks like cyber, pollution, environmental risk, as well as surety bonds. Second division is our benefits and planning division. So by that, we also support individuals and businesses with their employees' benefits and group health, dental plans, retirement and pension solutions, but also helping them with their financial planning and corporate tax planning as well. Third is our premium financing division. So this is where we help businesses ease a little bit their treasury, maintain a little bit of cash flow by financing their premium. Business insurance premiums can get really high, sometimes talking $50,000, $100,000, $200,000. And for that, we thought of being a little bit strategic and offering this lending solution to our clients. The 4th division is a recent addition to the group. We have acquired Omni One Insurance Agency in Florida. This gave us an international reach with a presence in the USA, so we can still cater and serve our Canadian clients who have assets or businesses there in Florida. Briefly about me, so I've started my career as a banker in Dubai in 2008, right in the middle of the subprime crisis. That was a great learning during that time. So started in banking in UAE, in Dubai. After that, I had the chance to launch a couple of businesses back home in Morocco, from technology to digital services, and started my career here in Canada as an insurance advisor, personal lines for property and casualty, and currently working as a licensed broker with Gifford Carr, and I specialize in commercial lines. Some of the services that I offer, I just briefly mentioned, we help clients get right coverage when it comes to their general liability, professional liability, looking after protecting their business assets, buildings, equipment, machinery, but also making sure that they are covered when it comes to some emerging risks like cyber. Now, briefly speaking about the risk landscape is changing in Canada, and what are the 3 main risks that really came out of this survey done by Alliance Risk Barometer in 2025. So as you see, business interruption is the number one risk for Canadian businesses, with 38% of respondents of the survey said that they have themselves an interruption of their business. Now, the sample of this survey was around 3,770 businesses. And out of that, 38% were impacted by business interruption. And second place comes natural catastrophes. This is no surprise to anyone, especially with the change in weather condition, the global warming. Natural catastrophes can really represent a humongous risk for businesses and individuals alike. You could see that the amount of losses during 2024 amounted to almost $6 billion. Last cyber incidents came at third place, with 35% of businesses that participated in the survey said they have been hit with at least a single cyber incident, with 53% of businesses experiencing an event at least during the past year. Now, I've selected these three types of risk. First one is going to be cyber, business interruption, and also professional liability. How professionals, consultants like yourself, can protect their expertise, especially when they are offering advice and consulting services. Given the rising tide of digital trends, cyber insurance has become a critical shield for businesses. Based on the QBE Control Risk Report, it reveals an alarming trend that cyber incidents in Canada have tripled in just 2 years. And that's significant. 53% of Canadian businesses that experienced a cyber event in the past 12 months, with 18% facing disruptions that last at least a full business day. And out of which 51% suffered some sort of revenue loss. I'm sure this isn't a matter of if you will be faced with a cyber attack, but it's more a question of when. And with a comprehensive cyber insurance, it would cover key elements like data breach responses, especially that this is a regulatory requirement. If you're handling your customer data, the minimum that you have to do by law is at least to notify third parties whom data has been compromised. Also would provide business interruption coverage after a cyber incident. So in case you are also subjected to ransomware or cyber extortion, cyber insurance comes also with a cyber expert who can act as the right person, the right partner when you are facing such type of risks. The second would be business interruption. And as we saw, business interruption is the top concern for Canadian businesses. It's a stark reality that when your business stops, unfortunately, your expenses don't. And based on a TD survey with small businesses during 2024, it does indicate that nearly 1 in 5 small business owners view a temporary shutdown as their biggest liability. Yet almost 40% lack business interruption coverage. This coverage is really vital. It helps mitigate the financial impact of unforeseen events. And what it does is they would cover the lost revenue, like fixed expenses like rent, utilities, payroll, even help you temporarily relocate so you can still run your business while we are helping you recover and help you get back on your feet. Even when it comes to supply chain disruption, business interruption coverage can help you in such what we call contingent business interruption. Mainly about ensuring that your business can weather the storm and get back on your feet pretty quickly. The last one, even though it wasn't mentioned during the slide that showed the three main risks, I wanted to speak about professional liability, since I believe most of the audience are independent professional consultants of some sort, providing advisory to your clients. Now, professional liability comes because there is a rise in claims. We've seen an increase in class action lawsuits, especially after 2022. And also the risk from AI adoption and technology integration. Sometimes using such tools can jeopardize the reputation of professionals. However, with the right coverage, having a professional liability limit to cover that can definitely save you a lot of money out of pocket, but mainly your reputation, something that money can't buy back. Key coverages for this type of insurance would be error and emissions. We take care of legal defense costs because though you might be innocent or probably haven't really caused damage after providing advice, at least to have a certain coverage to take care of the legal costs and settlement costs as well. And as I said, mainly protect your reputation. Now, briefly about what makes Gifford Carr stands out is that we work really as a team. So even though I cater to my own portfolio of clients, but I'm really supported on the back end by a team of account managers and account executives. We always bring human touch to our business, really move from the transaction to the relationship, because this is the nature of insurance is really a long-term service that you need. And from that, you really need a strong relationship with your partners to be well established and to make sure that you find them when you need them. We offer 24-hour claim services to our clients. They can call us at any time whenever they have any claim. We do manage them with ease. So as a broker, the advantage is that we advocate for our clients, but not really for the insurance companies. So our role is really to safeguard the interests of our client and make sure that we represent them the best way possible with the insurance carriers. We also have a very robust network of insurance partners that we work with in order to arrange the right coverage for our clients. What we offer basically from this session, if anyone who's interested, to have a 30 minutes free consultation where we can go over their current coverages, understand their business, see what's the expansion plan, or if they need any advice or assistance, be more than happy to do that. And I'm just sharing my contact details over here, whoever is interested. You can just scan the QR code, you'll get my contact details immediately on your smartphone, and you can just send me an email or give me a call or text. Thank you very much.
Unlock the full potential of networking with East Trade Wins. Are you eager to connect with our esteemed guest speaker and delve deeper into the ever-expanding universe of connections? Simply scan the QR code now and embark on a journey of endless opportunities. Join us at East Trade Wins, where we gather online via Zoom every Tuesday from 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, you're welcome to connect with us. Seize the moment, register for free, and start exploring today. Fancy sharing your insights as a guest speaker? We're looking for you. Reach out to Wayne Pratt to ignite your speaking journey. Email him at wayne@motivateyou.ca or connect with Wayne on LinkedIn. Don't wait. Take action and be a part of a global community that's shaping the future of business networking.